Where we at?
We're on the ferry.
On the ferry. The Pocahontas. We're on the Pocahontas.
Excuse me. There's a beach over here at all.
I don't think so. Is that beautiful, guys, or what? Yep. What do you think?
It's beautiful.
It's so gorgeous today. Beautiful weather.
Sunny.
Sunny.
It's sure been fun.
Bye.
Bye. So where does this take us?
Over there is the Jamestown settlement. This will take us across to the Surrey. And we'll go to Surrey to Smithfield and back across the James River Bridge to where we stay. This is an incredible view today. View is amazing. We have birds flying with us. Beautiful view, guys. And that is where we're going, right over there with the other ferry that's coming this way. You're looking at the Jamestown settlement. Pocahontas, Captain James, it's all right there, guys. It's all right there.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, sweetheart. I
Hi,
got your eyes.
sweetheart.
There's your face. Hello.
Hello.
Love you.
I love you too, baby.
I love it.